Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gary and this is The World According to Gary. If you haven't subscribed, please give me a like and a subscribe. Every single day over the Christmas period, we are opening a different box on the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser calendar. We're going to see the different flavours, see what they like hot, see what any of the repeats are like cold, and yeah, give them a full review. So we are here, we are nearly at the Christmas period, and I'm nearly at the end of having my Christmas break at work. So 19th of December, let's have a look for number 19. There's not on that side. Now the calendar does open out fully, and there is different boxes on the same, on both sides, should I say. Here we go. It's number 19 at the bottom, and let's have a look, see what flavour we've got. Can't get my finger into this one. Oh, right, so we have got a repeat. I remember this. This was one of my favourites for a while throughout doing the calendar. So we're going to do this one on the ice, see what it's like. Might do skimmed milk for this one, just so it's a little bit thinner for going over ice. But there we go. Again, I don't think I showed this up close before. Let's have a look. Is it going to focus? There we go. So there we go. That is orange with the orange top. I don't know if this tops is just something that they do for any reason. They're all different colours, but there are some similar. So here we go. It is 65% super milk chocolate, fresh yet rounded citrus notes. Really good. We'll see what it's like as a cold drink. And yeah, stick around for the view. Don't forget, smash that like button and also subscribe. And if you want to comment, if you tried any of the chocolates, if you've got any recommendations, I'm open to the recommendations because I really want to try them all. They are very, very nice so far. So there we go. That's the orange, and stick around for the review. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today on the Velvetiser calendar is orange. There you go. So today, is it gonna? Don't want to focus. There we go. Anyway, so today's orange. As you will know, we have already done orange. So instead of having it hot, we're going to have it cold. We've had, I can't remember which one it was now. We have had one cold before, which was good. So all you do with cold is you do the Velvetiser to the minimum level in the actual Velvetiser cup, and then you pour it over ice and milk, and you get this. So this is orange. I thought it was quite good as a hot chocolate, so let's have a taste of it as a cold. Yeah, I think it works better as a hot chocolate. I can't taste the orange as much as I could before. Definitely could taste it before. It's a dark chocolate as well, so it's got a bitterness to it. Again, there's that lovely foam that you get on the top with the Velvetiser drinks. Really creamy and frothy. I have used whole milk instead of semi-skimmed, but I will be on semi-skimmed from tomorrow, I think, because I've nearly run out. So, and I do prefer semi-skimmed, but I thought it might be a bit better with the whole milk, but I don't think it makes that much of a difference in all fairness. So yeah, it works really well. It works really well as both. I think if there's another chili in, I don't think that's going to work as a cold drink. I weren't keen on it as a hot drink because I don't like spicy anyway. And it wasn't terribly spicy, but it didn't work for me as a hot drink. But other people might like it. This does. I will say that I'd rather have it hot than cold, but
it still works as a cold drink, and I would drink this again, especially in the summertime. Probably not this time of year, but especially in the summertime, I would definitely have this drink again. Yeah, I think I am going to go back to skimmed. I don't think it's made that much of a difference being whole milk, but I think I will go to semi-skimmed tomorrow. So there you go. If you do have a Velvetiser and you've never tried any of them cold, it's well worth a try. I think at this time of year it's probably better having the hot, but you know. So I would say, if I had to choose any, I would probably go for the more sweeter, lighter chocolates. Maybe the vanilla is amazing, amazing hot. I'm going to have it cold, see what that's like. But the vanilla, I would say, is probably my favourite. But I do like the dark chocolates as well, because they're so bitter. Vanilla's sweet, and the others are very bitter. But there is a peppermint flavour out, which I highly recommend as well. So anyway, thank you for watching. I will be back with the next one tomorrow. Please do give us a like, subscribe. Again, even if you don't watch the channel, it does help out, and it's there as well. So thank you, and until the next video, bye for now.